Hey, we're getting the rain right now, just to put this on the video, maybe. I mean, it's pouring. I wonder if those plants right there, let me see if I can zoom in. I don't want to get wet. They're sitting up there. Well, such as it is, I'm about ready to take them down anyway. Yeah, it's a nice pour right now. Got to take care of the dog. Some thunder going on. It's been raining here for 2 or 3 days. Off and on. Looks great. Great view there. Anyhow, there you go. Little desert rain on, I don't know, it's 4:30 or so. What is it? Sunday, I guess. All right. Hey, when it rains out here, it rains pretty good. It's been raining most of the evening. Everything's flooded. I'm gonna go out back. Hey, it's raining, guys, and when it rains out here, I mean, it's flooded. That yard is flooded, and I planted seed. This is all just water right here. So the entire backyard here is flooded. Let's go look. It's really, you can see it's covered the rocks. So yeah, it does rain. That is all flooded right through here. Let's look at the plants. I don't want to really get wet, but shit, it takes, no matter what, I mean, it's all water there. Let's see, do I want, no. There they are. Let me zoom in if I can do this with the, yeah, they're standing up. Lightning struck right out in front of the house too. Yeah, it's fun. It's died down a bit. Let me show you something. All right. I mean, that, look at, they go fishing out in that. Well, there you have it, guys. It does rain out here. That is just flooded from there all the way over to here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It'll clean out the air for sure. All right, until then, here it comes again. It's just coming. It's raining hard here. How about over at your place, guys? Dogs barking, Yogi. All right, there it is. I mean, it's flooded out here. It's going right over the rocks right there. This is the most rain we've had in quite some time. All right, I'm gonna try this. Let's see if I can keep my hand over the camera. I'm gonna walk on these stones. Whoa, I've got some other shoes on. It's literally, really is. All right, let's see what the girls are doing here. Whoa, look at how much water's in here. Literally, I mean, my shoes are soaked. All right, one more time. I got the umbrella here because it just keeps shutting the camera off. This is the most that we've had in quite some time. I'm not kidding you. This whole slab right here is just, hey, they're loving the rain here. Loving the rain. Jesus. I mean, that's the most we've had. All right, guys, I'm gonna piece this thing together, see if we can slip it by. Yeah. And we just planted seed. Water's running right over that. But anywho, there you have it. A little bit of rain over here. Have a great day.